One of my favorite memories in school so far is in my role as a Culture and Community, or CNC, subcommittee co-chair. I was able to host a cultural fair alongside my other co-chair, Mena. As a Filipino American, I see that as a big part of my identity and who I am. So being able to showcase that to the students as well as give other students the environment to kind of do the same was really rewarding for me. My name is Shera Furigay. I was born in Tuguegarao, Philippines. I am a PY3 at UNC Eshelman School of Pharmacy, and I am Regent of Beta Psi chapter of Kappa Psi Pharmaceutical Fraternity. Kappa Psi is the oldest and largest pharmaceutical fraternity in the world, with a mission to develop leaders in pharmacy through lifelong fellowship, community service, as well as professional development. One of the signature activities, my favorite too, is our tunnel party. It's a celebration of our yearly tradition. Last year was our 42nd annual, and we get cardboard boxes like as big as refrigerators, and we set them up at maze around the house. So last year was our Alice in Wonderland theme, and that's always an event that we love to host for alumni, faculty, brothers coming back in town to kind of celebrate each other and have a good time. Both of my parents are nurses, so I kind of knew growing up I wanted to get into healthcare, but I didn't exactly know how I wanted to go about that. I had a friend who actually came to UNC for undergrad and went to UNC Eshelman School of Pharmacy. So from there, I was kind of like, what is pharmacy about? What does this have to offer me? And I picked up a job as a pharmacy technician at Walmart. Through that job, I kind of fell in love with the idea of being able to utilize my knowledge in medications into something that's more digestible for patients to kind of understand. I think it's really important that patients are able to take charge of their own health. So being able to kind of get this information that can be so overwhelming and maybe frustrating at times for them, and being able to help them understand that information, I think is very important for me and something I want to provide for patients in that way as well. One of my passions I started over the pandemic is painting old vinyl records. It's a way for me to kind of calm down, focus on one thing. I really enjoy painting sunsets and skies as well. It's just something to kind of help me unwind after a long day.